Hello. So in this video I am going to solve CSIR NET June 2019 quantum physics questions. Okay. So the first question is, a wave function is given to you, psi x is equal to a l plus x l minus x. So you can write this function as l square minus x square in the range minus L to plus L. Means the length of the box is given to you. If length is A, the length of the box is given to you 2L. Okay, and this is a symmetric potential problem. So in symmetric potential, the wave function is for n is equal to odd. If n is odd, means n is equal to 1, 3, 5, then the wave function will be even. Means in terms of cos. If n is equal to even, then the wave function will be odd. Means sine. Okay. Now these all information for the symmetric potential. Now what is asked in the question? They have asked to find out the probability of the particle. What will be the probability of particle to have the energy pi square h cut square upon 2ml square. So what is the energy eigenvalue for the nth state? En is equal to n square pi square h cross square upon 2ma square. But for this case we have a is 2l. Length of the box is 2l. So we can write it as n square pi square h cross square upon 2m 2l square. Okay. Now to find out the nth value, we will equate this energy with the given energy. So here I am equating this. So pi square h cross square upon 2ml square will be equal to n square pi square h cross square upon 2m 2l whole square. So if you solve this, you will get the value of n is 2. Okay. So now you need to find out the probability of the particle in n is equal to 2 or second state. Okay. What will the probability now? Probability P will be equal to psi 2 psi 1 upon psi 1 because the wave function given to you is not normalized. So you have to normalize this function. Okay. Now what will be psi 2? What is given function? The psi 1 is given to you as a l square minus x square. So this is an even function or odd function. You can write this function as a l square x to the power 0 minus x square. So this function is an even function. This is an even function and psi 2 is. So for n is equal to 2, the wave function must be odd. And for the infinite potential box, the wave function will be 2 upon a. A here is 2l and n is equal to 2. That's why we are taking sine 2 pi x upon a is 2l. So this is an odd function. Now put the value. Probability will be equal to integration minus L to L psi 2. Psi 2 is an odd function into psi 1 is an even function into dx or divided by the normalization psi 1 psi 2. Now this is odd into even. So odd into even will become odd. And you know that if this is the case, then your integration will be 0. So the probability will be 0. I hope this question will be clear to you. Now let's move towards the next question. So in this question, what is given to you? This is also for the length of the box is 2L, just like the previous question. And in this question, they have asked to find out the. Okay, let me read the question. A quantum particle of mass m in one dimension confined to a box as shown in the figure is in its grounded state. So initially the particle is in ground state. Ground state means n is equal to 1 state. So energy will be equal to E1 will be equal to n square pi square h cross square upon 2m 2l square. So pi square h cross square upon 8ml square initially in the ground state. Now a infinitesimally thin wall is very slowly raised to infinity at the center of the box in such a way that the system remains in ground state at all times. तो अगर पहले क्या हुआ, बीच में एक वॉल रेज करी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी after appearing this wall, the system still is in its ground state. यानी still जो system है that is in the ground state. Okay. Now assuming that no energy is lost, कोई energy lost नहीं हुई है, the work done on the system when the wall is fully raised. तो अब जब ये वॉल रेज हुई है तो उसके बाद एनर्जी क्या है? तो अब ये दो बॉक्सेस बन गए हैं, -L to 0 and 0 to L. So now the length of each box is L. So now energy will be equal to E1 dash will be equal to n square pi square h cross square upon 2ml square. Here n is equal to 1 because the system is still in the ground state. So the new energy will be equal to pi square h cross square upon 2ml square. Now you have to calculate the work done on the system when the wall is fully raised, eventually separating the original box into two compartments. तो अब वर्क कितना डन हुआ? So you have to for the work done you have to calculate the final energy minus initial energy. Pi square h cross square upon 2ml square minus pi square or h cross square upon so here it is 8ml square. So 8ml square 4 minus 1 pi square h cross square. So now you will get 3 pi square h cross square upon 8ml square. So the answer will be 1. I hope this question is also clear to you. Now let's move towards the next question. So the next question is, you have to find out the Hamiltonian is given to you. H is equal to p square upon 2m plus alpha x to the power r. So here the potential is, because H is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, and potential energy is given to you as alpha x to the power r. Okay, and you have to find out the En dependency, how En is proportional to n. मतलब आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है n की पावर इसके प्रोपोर्शनल है. तो एक तो लेंदी मेथड ये है कि आप W के भी अप्रॉक्सीमेशन से इसको सॉल्व करें. इंटीग्रेशन T dx प्लस बीटा 1 प्लस बीटा 2 इज इक्वल टू n plus 1 pi h cross, where n will start from 0. Okay, and beta 1 beta 2 will depend upon the rigid wall. If it has two rigid walls or it has one rigid wall, so beta 2 value will depend upon the rigid wall, and the limit you will take from x1 to x2, and x1 x2 is the turning point. x1 x2 are the turning point where the kinetic energy will be equal to the potential energy. So from equating the kinetic energy equal to potential energy, we will find out the value of x1 and x2. Okay, but we will not go into that lengthy method. There is one formula. If in the question the potential is given to you in some x to the power r, so assume that this is x to the power m. Okay, if it is x to the power m, then En is proportional to n to the power 2m upon m plus 2. So here x is proportional, potential energy is proportional to x to the power r. So here your nth energy will be proportional to n to the power 2r upon r plus 2. Okay, so the answer will be 4. And if you want to make a good command, then use this method. वैसे भी ये this formula is only applicable for those question जहाँ पे आपसे सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी पूछी जा रही है, जहाँ पे आपको कॉन्स्टेंट्स भी फाइंड आउट करने हैं, यानी पूरी वो वैल्यू एनर्जी की फाइंड आउट करनी है. देन यू शुड गो with the WKB approximation method. This is the WKB approximation method. Okay. Now let's move towards the next question. So this is the next question. Here you have given an infinite square well potential of a particle. मतलब जहाँ ये boundaries पे जो potential है that is infinite, उसको perturbed किया है. The potential is modify किया है, और you can say perturbed किया है. So यहाँ पे एनर्जी है माइनस एप्सिलॉन और यहाँ पे है एप्सिलॉन. The perturbation is minus epsilon और इधर है epsilon in the range delta, and this is the width of the potential A. Okay, now you have to, here at the boundary the potential is infinite. So now you have to find out what you have to find out. It is given in the question that delta is very less than A. Now you have to find out the energy of the ground state. आपको ग्राउंड स्टेट की एनर्जी इन कंपैरिजन टू द ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी बिफोर द पर्टर्बेशन. तो पहले पर्टर्बेशन से पहले और बाद की एनर्जी को कंपेयर करने को बोला है. ओके, सो द ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी विल बी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर करेक्शन, और the first order correction in the ground state energy means will be equal to psi1 the ground state function, perturbation psi1. So the perturbation in the range, initially it is in the range 0 to A, 0 to minus 0 to delta. The perturbation in the range 0 to delta, and psi1 will become 2 by length is A, 2 by A sine square n is 1 pi x upon A dx, plus, and the second perturbation in the range, so this will become A minus delta. This point will become, at this point the length will be A minus delta. So the initial value will be A minus delta and the final is A. Here perturbation is minus epsilon and here perturbation is epsilon. 2 by A sine square n pi x upon A into dx. Now if you will solve this question, so what you will get, take epsilon, 2 epsilon by A common, and here you can write sine square in terms of 1 minus cos 2 pi x upon A, Similarly here you can write 1 minus cos 2 pi x upon a, and the cos 2 pi x upon a, if you integrate cos, then it will become sine, and after putting the limit that function will become 0. So you have only minus x here and plus x over here. So the value of this integration will become 0. You can also check by doing yourself. So the ground state energy will become 0. First order correction in the ground state energy will become 0. Now the second order correction in the ground state energy. So the formula for that will be equal to ground correction in the ground state energy. Second order correction in the ground state energy will be equal to summation m is not equal to n, and n here is ground state 1 mod psi m ground state wave function. So here we have written 1. So I am also writing here 1 h psi n 1 mod whole square upon E n 0 minus E m 0. So E n 0 here is 1. Okay, so you know that as the order increases, the energy also increases. So this energy is less than the E m energy. This E1 energy is less than the E m energy. So from here you will get a negative sign. Okay, and h here is epsilon. The perturbation here is epsilon. You perturbed by epsilon, minus epsilon and plus epsilon. So we are doing mod square. So it will become, after calculation it will become epsilon square. Okay, so पूरा कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है इसमें. From here we can match your answer. We can match our answer. So the answer will be, because of the minus sign decreases, and here it's epsilon square. So the answer will be decreases by a term of order epsilon square. So the fourth answer will be correct. Okay, I hope the answer will be clear to you. If you have any doubt in any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the thumb icon, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.